Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to be demystifying Microsoft Copilot. We'll be diving into how this AI, and others like it, are set to completely change how we work, how we create, and how we handle our daily lives. So let's break down what that really means.
So, let me ask you this. Do you ever feel like you're just drowning in a sea of tasks and information? It's a feeling I think we all know well. The big question is, can AI actually offer a real solution to this, or is it just more noise? Well, this is exactly where Microsoft Copilot steps in. And we're not talking about just another app on your phone. The idea here is a total rethink of how we work. Think of it less like a tool you use and more like an active partner that works alongside you. So what can it actually do? Well, it can instantly write text, it can produce images from scratch, it can conduct some pretty deep research for you, and the whole point of all this? To seriously boost your productivity. Let's start breaking it down, beginning with how it totally reimagines our day-to-day workflow.
Okay, first up, we have Level 1, Productivity Reimagined. This is all about how Copilot literally weaves itself into the software you're already using every single day, acting as this kind of on-demand assistant that's always there when you need it.
Let's just imagine a super common scenario, right? You're in Word, you're deep in thought writing a report, and bam, you need a specific fact and you need it fast. What's your next move, typically?
While the old way is just a total productivity killer. You stop what you're doing, you open a new browser, you type in your search, you scroll through a ton of results, find what you need, copy it, paste it back, and by then, your focus is just completely shattered. The new way? You just ask Copilot, right there inside your document. You get an instant answer, and you never ever break your flow.
The whole process is designed to be completely seamless. You stay put, right in your document, you ask a direct question, something like, who are the 10 richest people in the world? And the information just appears right where you need it. No switching context, no opening new tabs. It's that simple.
And this quote just nails the feeling perfectly. It's really less like using a tool and more like delegating a task to an assistant. It completely frees up your mind to focus on the bigger picture, on the more important stuff.
But here's where it gets really powerful, because Copilot's abilities can scale way up. We're not just talking about answering one little question. We're talking about handling much more complex tasks, like building an entire presentation from just a single idea.
I mean, just imagine you need to build a PowerPoint on a huge topic like climate change. Instead of spending hours or even days digging for data and messing with slide designs, you just tell Copilot what you need. It goes out and gathers the data, it creates the charts, it pulls out relevant quotes, it designs the slides, and it even helps you organize your ideas into a story that actually makes sense. It's like having an expert researcher and a graphic designer sitting right next to you.
So we've talked a lot about productivity so far, right? But Copilot is also being pushed as a creative partner. And that might sound a little strange, so let's explore what that actually means in Level 2. I mean, it's one thing to find and organize information that already exists, but can an AI actually help you generate something that's genuinely new, something creative? The answer, maybe surprisingly, is a big, resounding yes.
Think about it. Maybe you're planning a new marketing campaign. You could ask Copilot to design a poster for you or brainstorm some new video concepts. You could even have it write a full video script, complete with suggestions for visuals. It's no longer just a tool. It becomes a real collaborator in the creative process itself.
And honestly, when you see it in action, when you give it a simple prompt and it spits out this complex, creative piece of work, it really does feel like magic. It's a little glimpse into a totally new way of working with technology on creative projects.
Okay, now for what I think is the most exciting part. So far, we've seen how to use Copilot as a tool. But this final level is about going way beyond that. It's about creating an AI agent that is uniquely and personally yours.
So, what in the world is a personal AI agent? Well, imagine an AI that doesn't just know about everything in general. Instead, imagine an AI that's been trained specifically on your data, your emails, your reports, your style. The goal is to create a digital version of you or your business that can act on your behalf.
This is the absolute core of the idea. It's your data and your style that shapes this AI. And that's the huge difference between having a generic one-size-fits-all assistant and having one that truly gets you, your context, and your voice. So how does this even work? You could, say, give it a folder of all your past work, your reports, your emails, your creative projects. The agent then analyzes all of it to learn your unique writing style, your tone, your priorities. And over time, it grows and evolves with you, getting better and better at anticipating what you need and, in a way, simulating your professional personality.
So
how do you even begin a journey like this? Well, it actually starts with two pretty simple things. First, it's about understanding how to organize your own information in a way that an AI can learn from it. And second, just start experimenting. Seriously, just open up Copilot and start chatting with it. Get a feel for how it thinks and how it works.
We are, without a doubt, at the very beginning of a truly exciting new era in what we can do, both personally and professionally. Your AI journey is literally just getting started. So the only real question left is, what will you create?